Hi flower fans, I'm Charmaine Turbow, head farmette here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California. I'm excited that you're joining me today as I'm going to show you with a few locally sourced beauties how to make a Protea wreath, something unique, something different. To get this project going, you're going to need a few other tools and supplies. First, you need a sharp pair of snips. You'll also need a spool of floral wire. We like to use 22 gauge. You'll also need a wreath form. Here as shown is a 14-inch grapevine wreath form, but if you can get a metal wreath form, that will work just as well. If you need help sourcing any of these materials, be sure to check the description below our video.
Gather your botanicals and greenery. Here we're using proteas, leucadendrons, eucalyptus, grevillea, nandina and Brazilian peppercorn berries, and setaria. Using your snips, trim all your botanicals and greenery to about 5 to 6 inches in length and separate them into different piles.
Here I have two separate piles. Here are my leucadendron stems and here are my leucadendron focals. I will set these in with our large protea flowers. But it's easier to have all your materials cut and ready to go. Here we have our proteas, and I've already begun cutting and trimming them down in length. 6 inches is about a good length to have. You don't want too much length because then what ends up happening, it's harder to get it angled onto your wreath. So usually a 3 to 4 inch stem is really good, and I've got a good heavy pair of bypass pruners here. A real quick tip here, and it's not mandatory, it's completely optional. I know that this wreath is going to a lovely client whose parents are going to be using this wreath not on an outdoor door, but in a door of a complex. So this wreath isn't going to get as much cold as we would normally like. So what I'm going to do is actually dip the ends into wax to help seal them, and this will help keep the life of the protea a little longer, since this is going to be in a semi-outdoor environment. So here's my lit candle. All I'm going to do is just simply extinguish the candle real quick. And now I'm just going to quickly dip the ends into the wax to seal them up. This just takes an extra step. That extra step will give some longer life to these proteas.
Start by securing your spool of wire to your wreath form. Create small bunches with your proteas and greenery and secure each bunch to the wreath form by winding the wire 3 times around, making sure you pull tight. Continue to layer bunches in and think about balance and texture as you arrange your berries and other unique elements. And there you have it, a stunning holiday wreath that captures the warmth of the season. Hang it on your door to share love and joy with everyone who visits. Happy crafting, and may your home be filled with warmth and cheer.
Love the Protea wreath? I do. So love the video. Hit the like button, hit the notifications button, and you'll be notified on our next upcoming video and how we're growing rainbows in Zone 9B. Flowers or bust.